Arutwo a thukuru wa University wa Jaramogi Oginga Odinga ruhonge-ini rwa Siaya ni makururirie mathigi na guthararia mihango ya mathomo thukuru-ini ucio magitetie ciiko cia uhogoku wa ugitiri iria ciongererekete thukuru-ini ucio.
I'm Ezekiel Omondi, a third-year student. The reason as to why we are here today is because yesterday some goons entered the female hostels and they were interrogating the students, trying to touch those students unexpectedly. We fought with them as comrades and we arrested most of them. One of them whom we arrested, we gave to the watchman.
Arutwo aya aria makuihuirwo ni matuko ya ni mamenereirie arangiri a thukuru ucio makiuga ati ni magondereire hari wigiririki wao kuona makoretwo magite indo ciao ta laptop hamwe na machini ingi na makiria nginyagia andu a mucio kuingira thukuru-ini matari momoria. Ndeto iria iraiga miturire ya arutwo acio hatikaini.
Laptop zinaibwa mara mixer
Yesterday we were attacked in our hostels. Our boys rescued us and then the person was released by the security.
We lost so many things. We lost the mixer of the CU and then we lost a laptop. We are trying to fight for our rights. We lost the watchman, they can't break.
Arutwo acio riu ni mahinyiriirie urugamiriri wa thukuru ucio kuingirira gatagati na gutigirira ati arangiri acio ni macenjio na makiria thukuru ucio wuirigwo niguo kugacirithia ugitiri wa arutwo acio.
Providing security. How can an intruder get inside here? We accept that people do get here. Even students come late hours. Maybe we can say that they assumed it was a comrade. But
we want the security to be changed.
Can be started. We want to see if the watchmen here are always in a deal, in a coordination with these people who do attack us. We are losing so many things.
Hadi-ini ha Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Chege wa Njohi.